Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would quickly show you guys how to get that one color eyeshadow look. I will be doing two colors. It's not two colors per se, like with that one look. It's going to be one color on this side and one color on this side, just so I could show you that you could achieve that with different colors. So what you will need is, I've already got my eyebrows done. I haven't cleaned them up, so I'm going to be using a concealer, which I'm also going to prime the whole eyelid with. You will need which I forgot to grab, a setting powder, any setting powder. And then obviously to clean up your brows, you'll need that brush that you use to clean your brows, and then a brush, a packing brush and a blending brush. This is a 2-in-1. This is the Anastasia one that came in the palette that I'm actually going to use. I will be using the same color I did before, so I'm going to be using the Riviera palette. And this one is pretty. So that purple is the one that I used the other day in that look. I'll probably end up using the pink on the other side, so you can see that you can use multiple colors as one eyeshadow. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and get started. All right guys, so we're all zoomed in, and once again, if you see me looking over here to the right, is because my mirror is over there. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and clean up those brows. And if you need to know how I do that, but I'll link the brow video down below. So like I said, go ahead and clean up the brows, and then we're gonna drag it down and cover the whole eye with primer. So after doing that, you want to go ahead, and I like to go in with a lighter base, just because it gives me that little fresh, clean base to work with. So grab some of this. You're going to dab it on the eye, dab it on this eye. You will need some sort of sponge. I like the sponge. It kind of just helps me even that out. So you want to dab that. So after you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your setting powder. And you want to just push that into the eyes as well and set that concealer. All right, so now you have a nice and even base. Another thing I forgot to show you guys is one of these. So this one's Whispers. It's an instant brush cleaner. So basically this would be more so for multiple colors. If you don't have a lot of brushes, this is a good thing to use, because you see how this one has purple on it. All you do is you brush the color off, and once you've done that, you can legit go to using another color. There's no transfer. It's gone. So that's a really good tool to have. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this. We're going to go ahead and use Canes in the Riviera palette, which is this purple here, which is super, super pretty. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pack that color on. All right, so it's packed on, and you want to make sure that you pack it above the crease. So once you get it there, you stop there, turn your brush around or grab your fluffy brush and blend this out. Yeah, just keep blending and blending and blending until you get the desired look that you want. And then when you start blending, it's going to start to lighten up right there. You're going to want to go back and color that in again. All right, so once you think that it's blended good enough for you, to your liking, you're going to want to go back and dip into that same color and pack it back onto the lid, because as you're blending, it tends to take away some of the color. So you want to pack it back on, not all the way up, just on the lid and maybe in the crease. Then you can continue blending as needed. So it's a lot of blending and packing back on color. And pretty much to your liking. And like I said, just blend that out. And then that's that. So that little thing that I was showing you guys earlier that comes in handy for color changing, I'm going to use the same brush. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on here to get all that purple out, because I will be going in with the pink. And just to show you guys, nothing, it's good to go. So we're going to go ahead and try this with the Bahama color here in the same palette. So like we did earlier, we're going to pack it on, blend it out, and pack some more. All right, so next, blend. All right, so we're done with this eye. I know it looks really, really crazy. So I'm going to show you what I do as far as after I put my lashes on and do the rest of my makeup. So mascara, lashes, and then the rest of my makeup. And then once I get to the part where I highlight my face with highlighter, I will show you what you can do to make this kind of pop a little bit more. It's super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I will be back to show you the finishing touches with some highlighter. All right guys, so we're back now. I have my face on. I just need to do my lips and some highlighter. So for highlighter, I will be using the Becca in the Prosecco Pop. So what you're going to want to do now, just to the eyes, and this is optional, otherwise your eyes look cute. I'm just kidding. So I like to grab, let's see, any little setting spray or spray that I have. So I'll use the Mario. You want to spray just a little on the ends. Grab some of your highlighter, and then I like to put it in the inner corner here just to make it pop a little, and same with this side. And so you get that little pop of color. And then like I said, this part is optional as well. Grab some more of that highlighter, and then you just want to highlight your brow bone here. I would just go back with this little brush and kind of blend that out a bit. And then same with the other side, just to kind of make it pop a little. And then I think today we will just go with a simple lip. This is Times Square by ColourPop. And we're good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy one color eyeshadow. I'm kind of liking the two different colors. Like, I might go out like this. I have a couple errands to run, so let's see if I don't chicken out last minute and take it off. Let me go ahead and move you guys back. Alright, so yeah, there you have it. This is the one color eyeshadow look. So this is what it looked like. So I just did a purple, and then this is the pink. I just did 2 separate colors just to show you that you could pretty much do with any matte colors. But yeah, simple, quick, out the door. You can even leave like this if you like. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to give a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on the little bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. Other than that, thank you guys so much for your support. Thanks for watching, and please, if you have any other requests that you would like to see, I do have a wing liner coming up and a how to put on your lashes coming up. I don't know exactly when. I'm gonna try and squeeze those in sometime soon. But again, like Little Miss Genesis says,
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.